Hi, my name is Khaldoon. I'm the founder and CEO of CardioTwin. CardioTwin is an AI-powered software platform that converts cardiac medical imaging like OCT and X-ray angiography into real-time 3D artery simulations. The platform we solve is that today cardiologists rely on hundreds of 2D images and visual estimation with no way to predict forces, stress, or rupture risk before intervention. This means there is often no clear indication for whether an intervention or a plaque removal is truly necessary. Our end users are interventional cardiologists, hospitals, and cardiology centers. And while our main targets are medical tech companies to involve CardioTwin into their system. With over 350 million cardiac patients worldwide, 15 million interventions every year, and with a market more than 15 billion in global markets. Our solution is designed to bring safety, precision, and personalization into coronary artery. Through this program, I hope to refine our go-to-market strategy, connect with partners, and accelerate our mission to deliver safer, personalized interventions to patients worldwide.